Nature is amazing. Say that again. Nature is amazing. Granted, you can hear some of that industry stuff on the other end, the other side. Nonetheless, we are surrounded indeed by nature. Right? Chase. Well, don't chase. Go after. Because when we think chase in the sense of, oh, I gotta go get it. If I don't get it, I'm gonna not be happy. No. You go after what you want, but also enjoy the process and enjoy everything along the way. It's so simple, but people forget because, most people are still caught up in the idea of the matrix where, a job here, a job there. You got this whole sickness breakout going on, and people are still within that mindset of the jobs versus their dreams versus actually spending some time in nature. As I'm here, there's some people who come by and they spend their time in nature. Those people who spend their time in nature, those are the wise ones. Most people stay cooped up in their homes. Some people are biking, which is walking. That's good too. Point is, people out here in nature, all right? The ones who are out in nature are the ones who at least have some intelligence, all right? And if you're not in nature, then you need to be out in nature more. This is where it's at. This is where you want to be. In nature, you gain clarity. In nature, you gain strength. You gain peace of mind. Okay? Know what you want. Okay? Know what you have. And know that what you desire, you already have. It's just a matter of you actually believing right now that yes, as Abraham Hicks would say, it's to be in the receiving mode. Infinite Waters talks about this. Spirit Science talks about this. Receive. Be in that receiving mode. Have that faith that yes, you do have what you want. It's just a matter of taking the actions necessary. Not just the outward actions, but the internal actions as well. Not just the external. Internally, we have to work on ourselves too. There are actions to take internally. It's amazing. Still some noise, eh? But yet there is this calmness while you're out here that just seems to overtake, just like right now. Anyways, hope that helps you guys out. And if it did, feel free to subscribe, share it, leave a comment, share your insights. Let's help each other grow. And spend some time in nature more. It's definitely worth it. And while you're in nature, you can go ahead and write. You can meditate, you can do some yoga, you can do some martial arts. Barefoot as well. Feels great. Namaste.